Welcome back. We are now starting Lesson 3, Topic A, Installing and Activating Elementor Pro Page Builder. If you have not gone ahead and purchased Elementor Pro from the link I provided, please do so now. I have attached a link to purchase Elementor Pro in the topic description of this topic as well. Once you have purchased Elementor Pro, I'll show you how to connect it. When you purchase Elementor Pro, you will be able to download the latest version. Do that now, if you have not already. Once you have that downloaded from the Elementor website, head back to your WordPress dashboard. Now, let's install the Elementor Pro plugin that you just downloaded. To do this, go to the Plugins tab, and click Add New. Once there, go to the top and click Upload Plugin. Now, you will be able to choose File. Choose the Elementor Pro file and click Open. Click Install Now, to continue. On the next page, click Activate Plugin. Now, you should be back on your installed plugins page. From here, you should see Connect and Activate, link underneath Elementor Pro. You can also see a box notification at the top of the page with a button that says Connect and Activate, either one will work, click one to go to the next page. On the next page, click the big green button that says Activate. You may need to log into your Elementor account if you are not logged in already. Now, you have officially set up Elementor Pro and are now ready to start building your web pages. That is the end of Lesson 3, Topic A. See you in the next topic.